Hi my little nation, it's me, Nalina. Now I'm going to show you guys how I did this look right here. I'm actually getting ready to do a photo shoot in Cleveland. I wanted my makeup to kind of be a little bit more on the neutral side. This is like neutral glam to me. I guess it's a triple cut crease. So what I'm going to do is start off with my CoverGirl lip lockup. I'm going to slather that all over my lid and pat it out. Alright, so I'm going to go into the James Charles palette. I'm just going to use a light brown color and tuck it right here and bring it up about 1/4 of the way and just blend it out. Okay, so now that we have this color down, I'm going to go on with a light brown shade. So now I'm going to go in with a dark brown shade and I'm going to wing it out. It's okay if it doesn't look perfect because we are going to clean it up later. I'm gonna go in with my Pixie by Petra glitters. These are like one of my favorite quads, my glitter quads. You do not need any glitter glue with these, which is wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a flat brush and I'm gonna dip into my rose bronze and I'm going to tap into this color right here. Just gonna follow the line that we did. Like that. I go into my gold lava palette and I'm going to use this shade right here and we're just gonna go over that glitter. So this is just gonna add in that dimension and it's gonna show up really nice in photos. Going in with my e.l.f. 16 camo wear and then I'm gonna go in with my C6 Revolution Pro concealer. I'm gonna dab a little bit on the back of my hand and then same thing with my camo concealer. I'm going to go ahead and mix those two shades together. Now I'm going straight in underneath and just cutting the crease. Perfect. So now we're gonna go in with a red eyeshadow. Gonna go into the red shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and that one is called Live in My Best and I'm actually gonna do that all the way across and towards the end I'm just lifting up the shadow like that. So I'm just going to shade in that little part right there. So grabbing the eye shading brush from Lavish, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade My Man, the nice orange shade, and dip that right in the middle of my eye. So I'm going to dip into No Joke, which is a yellow shade, and put that right in my inner corner. Dipping into the shade Dance Party, which is a nice hot pink, and I'm doing that right on the end. Perfect. Now it is time for winged eyeliner. So I'm grabbing my Physicians Formula eyeliner. We are going to wing it. Now just grabbing like a little cleansing wipe and edge. We are going to put it in the edge of the eye and we are going to swoop it up. This just helps clean up around the eye a bit and also fix the shape of your liner or shadow, and it just helps swoop it up a little bit. Making sure to really get my forehead because T-zone issues. So this is not going to be like an everyday contour. I'm actually just taking this and swooping it up, kind of creating like a little smiley face. It looks crazy in person. It's going to make your face look a little bit more lifted if you contour upwards. So mind you, this is all going to be for photo purposes. I normally would not do such a strong contour. So now we're going to fix the hair, put a lash on, and I will see you guys after I'm finished. Alright, and that brings us to the end of the tutorial. I hope it was fast enough for you guys and I hope it's easier for you guys to recreate. Please tag me in all of your looks that you do that's either inspired by me. I'm actually really happy with the way this turned out and I cannot wait to take pictures. Ignore my dog rolling around in the back. So I'll go ahead and post some of the pictures of the photo shoot that we're doing, and I'll go ahead and post those on my Instagram. So please make sure you're following me there and pretty much everywhere else if you want to stay up to date on what's happening. So without further ado, I'm going to go. Bye.